What's up, YouTubians? Welcome back to another day and another video where today we're going to start getting some of these little things knocked off of the 60, which is a 1960 Volksrod Baja Franken Beetle build dubbed the 60. That's right. Kind of like a play on words, but not. It's kind of funny. Anyway, so I made a list, right? Let me show you where we're at, because we've done a lot of work to this thing, right? A lot of work. Most recently, we went ahead and fixed up around the front windshield, got all that repaired. So what do we have left exactly? Well, we've only got a few things really left to do. We've got a couple holes to fill, got a little finish welding to do on the front nose area, got a couple little small patches to make underside of the front area. We've got our little package tray wings, and then the body's pretty much done. From that point, my buddy Bill said he's going to go ahead and take care of the hood for me, get that knocked out of the way so we can focus on other things. We have doors to do, then from there, we can put this thing in primer. Can you believe I just said that? There's really not a whole lot left to do, and we can get this thing in primer. So I'm getting excited. I'm starting to really get excited. Remember, last year we got the chassis done. It's waiting for basically this body. So as soon as we get this thing in primer, from that point we can go ahead and start doing a little filler where we want to do some filler. Again, we're not making this thing perfect. It's not going to be anywhere near perfect, but I do want to just lay some filler in areas to make things look a little bit more presentable. Then we'll go ahead and prime it again, most likely, and then the exterior is going to be rhino lined at some point. Don't know if I've told you the color yet or not. We'll just kind of keep that a secret for now. If I haven't spilled the beans yet somewhere else. I don't know, I can't remember. We've been working on this thing for what seems like a couple millenniums. So, first thing today is we're gonna go ahead and go through real quick and get all these little mystery mounting holes filled in. Get those all done. Once all these little holes are done, we'll go ahead and move on to under here. We've got a couple little patches to make. This is like where the structure came down and whatnot for your front spare tire area, whatever you want to call it. So again, a couple little plates, some holes, then from there we can move on. So let's just cut out the jibber jabber and whatnot, and let's make this thing happen. Let's get crack-a-lacking today, guys. 21 holes later. Kind of makes me wonder, should I play blackjack? All right, so we got all those holes all patched up. Got the best I could up there. I'm gonna need to wait for my smaller little grinding disc to come back in, but we got all that situated. So now we'll go ahead and grab and start doing these little underside patches. Ooh, but wait, we can scratch one thing off the list now. Ta-da! Yes! Okay, back at it. Let's do it. All right, well, there we go. Got quite a bit of progress done. We've got all 21 holes done. We did a little bit more welding on the front piece here. Got some of it ground. Definitely have a little bit more to do, but then again, I only do so much with my arm and the angles that it's been for lately. We got that patch in here, and on the other side, we got that one in. So we are really knocking things off the list. We've got basically 2.5 things off the list today, because we still got that little bit left up in the very nose area. A little bit more welding and grinding to do, but it's about all I can do right now. So what do we have left? We have the finished welding the nose area. We have the bottom part of the package tray, which again are these little flaps here. Fabricate that side and that side. And then again, we got somebody taking care of the hood. So I think next step, to be honest with you, because in order to finish that last little bit of the package tray, we're gonna have to actually get the chassis in here, make sure that everything's in the proper line, plane, whatever. Make sure we don't need to make any side little extension pieces. So I think we'll probably hold off on that for now. So next video, we're diving into these doors. Got some ideas thanks to a couple people. I'm excited to see what we can pull off. Maybe a fat chance in hell that we can do it, but you don't know unless you try. So, appreciate you guys being here. Thanks so much for sticking around. Make sure you check out all the different links down below. We've got some discount coupon stuff. We've got awesome other Volkswagen people to follow. We've got the website. Check out the website. There's all kinds of stuff there. I'll be updating that soon too. So, till the next time, be kind and be good.